Welcome to this channel. In today's video we discuss 3 landmark cases on Article 14 of the Indian Constitution. Firstly, we take a recap of Article 14 that guarantees the right to equality by stating that the state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or the equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. So let's discuss the case laws related to Article 14. First is Maneka Gandhi vs. Union of India. AIR 1978 SC 597. The case decided by a 7-judge bench, P. N. Bhagwati, M. Hamidullah, Y. V. Chandrachud, V. R. Krishna Iyer, N. L. Untwalia, P. S. Kalasam, S. Murtaja Fazal Ali. Issue: are the fundamental rights guaranteed under the Constitution absolute? Whether right to travel abroad included in Article 21. The Supreme Court held that the procedure established by law in Article 21 must be fair, reasonable and just. The case also established that Article 14, 19 and 21 are interlinked and form the Golden Triangle. The next case is Navtej Singh Johar vs. Union of India. AIR 2018 SC 4321. Judges: Justice Deepak Misra, R.F. Nariman, D.Y. Chandrachud, A.M. Khanwilkar, Indu Malhotra. Issue involve whether Section 377 of the IPC, 1860, was constitutionally valid. The case led to the decriminalization of consensual homosexual acts, further demonstrating the evolving interpretation of Article 14. The next case is Air India vs. Nargesh Mirza. AIR 1981 SC 1829. Judges: Justice S. Murtaja Fazal Ali, A. Vardarajan and A. N. Sen. Issue involved gender discrimination in employment. The court struck down the regulation mandating retirement upon the first pregnancy as unconstitutional, deeming it arbitrary and a violation of fundamental rights under Article 14 and 21 of the Constitution. This was a significant step towards recognizing and rectifying gender-based discrimination in the work case. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, then do like, share and subscribe.